sibyo nuko twatangiye aba FBI batatse ahantu sibyo kakaba bahasanze do ndakeka bangizeho robot bags nta mirambo bakeneye hano FBI open the door kigura umuryango preach barawuturitsa kagabo basanzemo telefone kayishyize muri microonde karituritsa basanzemo igipapuro kirimo amakode bahamagara inzobere muri deciphering cyangwa se mukuramo ayo makode ibasha kuba yabisobanukirwa inzobere ikiye kuze yafotoye cya gipapuro itahana kopi mu buryo butemewe twabibonye sibyo babashinzwe umutekano hari igipapuro bose baturitse twabibonye sibyo aba agent 8 babipfiriyemo mugabo atangira kugenda agenzura uwo yakuye witwa Philip Washington mugabo nawe bamushobye igishinge bamushyingura ari muzima vuye mu isanduku twabibonye nuko dutangiye kana kari kurira yari yambwiye ngazahamagara papa kana mundi yarahamagaye mama arabisha ntabwo nashakaga ko papa agenda ndabizi ikakana kazi ko papa yapfuye gusa n'ubundi imodoka irongera mugonga kiva rusororo papa yari yambwiye kari bumamagare kabisubiramo yarahamagaye ahubwo kuko papa yatandukanye n'umugore uwo mugore ari kwangisha umwana se yanze kubimubwira wibuke bari bapanze kujya kureba filime ya Rocky katurore bimeze bite wibuka izi filime usanga ku gasobanuye films.com website y'ubwenge koko wishyura amafaranga make yawe ukareba ukwezi kose wirira isi ndangiza kuyisobanura itigera mu minota 2 kuri website nuko tugatangiye banyise Rocky abanzi ubundi ntabwo bajya bangereranya bimeze bite rero nuko tugatangiye umugabo niwe wenyine wabashe kubona rwa rupapuro ndetse urupapuro rw'amakode yaratangiye kugenda huza izina rya mbere kwe muri urupapuro yasanze n'umuntu witwa Gordon Jimmy yarapfuye hashize amezi birapfuye uwa kabiri yasanze nawe ari gupfa umugabo twabonye bamugonga akivanwa rusororo bimeze bite bari bamushyinguye ari muzima ese rupapuro ruri hiki rwanditse mu makode bamwe bararureba bakavuga ngo rwanditse rurimo igishinwa hieroglyphe bimwe by'abanyamisiri bya mbere iki n'iki ikiratini mbega bakeneye umuntu wa danje ndetse yagiye arimo ibishushanyo ku buryo ari amakode ahambaye bakeneye inzobere kuko ayo makode yayagira gute gusa sinzi bararukora urupapuro FBI butuvugana urupapuro ntarwo ifite bimeze bite wicara hamwe utuze gusa kuva rero ko wagafashemo nta mayobera ngiye niyemeje kujya mbaha filime ukagira ngo uri kuyireba mu kinyarwanda ijambo kurindi aizo njya mbona gere Cypher ko bakize nage akorino tufu yaratugaruke hano sibyo wa mugabo bagunze turi nguyu bamwita ndiwe Will mugabo turuka bamugonga yakangutse yisanga mu rugo rw'ininja kaho kiva rusororo yagunzwe
good you're up
byiza kukangutse mukobwa tumuzi
careful
Kingiseri 1
hurt your wrist pretty bad
wakomeretse cyane ku kaboko kawe
are you
urinde se umve
I'm Claire
banyita Claire
where the hell am I
ndihehe
you were in an accident and
wakoze impanuka
well I hit you
ninjye wakugonze
I ran a red light didn't I
nari mviye feruje I ran a red light
sorry that was my fault like
amakosa nanjye ninjye ruviye feruje
paying attention
ntago rindi kwita ku bintu nyine yatwaye nyine huzagurika yihuta
I'm sorry I gotta
babizirika ngende ntagutinda mu rugo rw'umukobwa burya
on purpose
nakugonze mbishaka kuki nakugonze mbishaka
what did you just say
uvuze nguki
the accident
iriya manuka
it wasn't your fault
ntago ari wari wakoze ikosa
I had to do it
nari mfite kukugonga
save your life Will
bwari bwo buryo bwonyine bwo gutabara ubuzima bwawe Will uzi gute izina ryanjye yitwa Will umukobwa utuje adahubuka atuje aricara
know a lot more than just your name.
nzi ibirenze n'izina ryawe ariko
I know where you live,
nzi aho utuye,
what car you drive
nzi imodoka utwara kari niyo uzuruka,
for a living,
nzi icyo ukora ngo ubeho,
and I know there are people looking for you,
nzi ko hari n'abantu bari kuguhiga,
and I couldn't risk you falling into their hands.
kandi ntabwo nari gutuma ujya mu biganza by'abantu bari kuguhiga.
To save my life.
wa muginge wangonze ngo unabare uri kunyica,
You were already dead.
n'ubundi ariko wari wapfuye,
You just didn't know it.
ikibazo ntabwo ubizi ko wari ugiye gupfa.
If they had you driving to,
ahantu bari bakubwiye ngo utware ugana,
they were gonna kill you.
iyo ugera bari kukwica, ubwira ari kuri telefone bamubwira ngo ngwino hano, ngo ngwino hano, ngwino hano.
So what else do you know?
N'iki kindi uzi? Umukobwa utuje,
Also aware that you might have access to a certain document.
nzi ko nanone ko hari document ushobora kuba ufiteho access. Iyi
You
document
got the wrong guy, okay?
wanyibeshyeho,
I don't know what the hell you were talking about.
ibyo uvuga ntabyo nzi.
Who said anything about a list?
iyo liste nayo nzi, liste ninde wayivuze?
I mentioned a document.
njye mvuze document,
Anything about a list.
ntabwo nigeze mvuga liste ahubwo uyikuye he wewe uyivuze. Hey!
I gotta go.
mfite kugenda. Ni umukobwa utuje udafite ubwoba udahubuka, uretse ava yatuje, buriya guhubuka no gusara ni bibi. umukobwa arako yamwandikiye,
In case you change your mind.
nuhindura ibitekerezo byawe uzampamagare, dore ngiyo nimero yanjye. iba no muri momo, nta mukobwa waguha nimero ngo ntiyibagirwe.
Won't stop until they find you.
umenye ko abaguhiga batazigera bahagarara mpaka bakubonye. Hey! uyu musore umukobwa arabwira ati nagutabaye, ahantu bari kuguhamagara ngo ujye bari kukurangiza katururi. umukobwa ngo yamugonze ngo amutabare. Ugana kuri afande,
It's Steve's family.
nagiye gusura famiye ya Steve.
I imagine it's not easy for them.
ndabizi ntabwo biboroheye. Steve ni wa mu agent of your FBI.
To say the least.
I can't imagine.
ndabyumva rwose, kujya kuri famiye yagize ibyago urumva ntabwo biba biboroheye, nawe buri icyo ubabwira.
Thank you for doing that, by the way.
gusa wakoze kubikora. afande,
Alex Mason's wife just arrived.
umugore wa Alex Mays ari hano. Alex Mays ni cya kibe twatangiye kirasa bagifashe. Reka njye kumwihatira ibibazo. Fanda fa yagiye kumwihatira ibibazo. Cya kibe kirashe. Wibuke bajya kukirasa cyaravuze ati ngiye umugore wanjye n'umwana muzaba amafaranga.
First off, my condolences.
Mbere na mbere condolences. Ni wa mugabo wirashe w'ikibe. Dore umugore wacu.
I don't know what to say. It
Sinzi
doesn't.
icyo navuga. Nibyo muri kuvuga ntibisobanutse.
Alex was a good man,
Alex yari umugabo mwiza,
husband,
ndetse yari umugabo mwiza,
a good father.
yari umubyeyi mwiza.
I don't understand.
Simbyumva.
What can you
Ubwo mwamuvuze ngo hari umugabo mwiza, yari umugabo mwiza.
tell us? Downtown, how long you've been working there? Who hired him?
Ese umugabo wamaze igihe kingana iki akora hariya ninde wamuhaye akazi?
The first time I heard about the warehouse incident is when you first called me.
Ibya iriya warehouse mwamusanze munabyumvishe bwa mbere mumamagaye.
Husbands.
Where did you think he was working, Mark?
Ese urakeka umugabo wawe yakoraga yiki?
In Pasadena.
Njye narambwiye ko akora Pasadena muri Recovery Center.
We would have lunch there every Thursday.
Buri wa kane twajyaga kuryayo.
Marta, your husband was working for some very bad men.
Marita umugabo wawe yakoreraga abantu babi cyane.
I assure you, if you keep anything from me, I will find out.
Kandi nkumenyesha ko nugira n'icumisha nzakivumbura. Umve,
I tell you what,
reka nkubwire.
take my card.
Fata ikarita yanjye.
Go home tonight and think
Ukiri ijoro mu rugo utekereze.
about anything you might have forgotten.
Utekereze ku kintu waba wibagiye kutubwira. Sibyo?
I will.
Ndabikora.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya ndabikora. Byiza.
Because I want you to help us figure this whole thing out.
Ndagira ngo ngufashe nawe usobanukirwe ibintu.
Blackmailing your husband.
Wabona umugabo we bari no kumukoresha ku gahato.
What I don't want you to do is lie to us. Because if you do,
Sinshaka kutubeshya kuko nutubeshya
things could get very bad for you. Do you understand me?
ibintu bishobora kuza kukugora. Uranyumva?
I would like to retrieve my husband's remains and hold proper burial. Can you help me?
Well, I'm afraid that won't be possible, not for a little while.
Ya, Royi kari kutubangamira banguka Royi. Ya.
Can I say goodbye? Can I see?
None si basi umugabo wanjye mwamunyereka nkamusezera.
I'm afraid I can't allow that to happen.
Ibyo ntago nakwemera ko biba muri kano kanya.
Your husband's body is undergoing a series of tests, actually, at another level.
Umugabo wawe umurambuye bari kubanza kuwupima.
If it was up to me,
Iyo biza kuba n'icyo
I
bihitamo.
would, but
Nari kukureka ukamureba. Ariko sinjye.
I'm sorry.
Babarire.
Now, what I can do,
Icyo nakora ni
And I don't recommend you look at them due to their graphic nature, but show you some fun.
nubwo nakugira inama yo kureba ifoto y'ukuntu yirashe ariko wahitamo yinyereke areba ifoto y'umugabo ukuntu yapfuye. Bano barabanza hari areba kamera ukuntu zimeze, baba mwumva kuri kamera nyine kavuze kagiye kwerekana ifoto. Bazana ifoto, urakoze Lace. Bazana ifoto bereka umugore. Ebe kira reba umugabo wawe ukuntu yapfuye nk'imbwa sha, yarayanze kuyamenera igihugu, yapfuye nk'urwihebe. Uyareba umugabo ukuntu yirashe.
Who's this?
Uyu ninde se? Wiki?
This is not my husband.
Uyu ntago ari umugabo wanjye, reka cyaciye bikirashe, cyitwa Alex Mason. Ntago ngukurikiye. Okay. Umugore agira gutya. Rebe.
This is my husband.
Uyu niwe mugabo wanjye bamwita Alex Mason. Aramubereka. Atandukanye na cyacihebe. Baratandukanye. Bivuze ngo kiracyebe gishobora kuba cyari cyarabeshya amazina ko cyitwa Alex Mason. Ko umugore avuga ati umugabo wanjye yitwa Alex Mason ariko ntago ari icyo kigabo muri kunyereka kirashe. Dore muzuka. Ari hakurino uyu mugabo bukavuye mu irimbi rusorohoro. Yavuye ninjoro. Igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye. Katorore. Urabizi umuntu yapfuye bamushyingura mu gakote bari bamushyinguyemo nikacyambaye. Bamushyinguye mu gakote nyine bahita bajya muri Mika Fashion bagakura y'agasuti kubwenge bakakugushyinguramo. Ngiye nta kibazo mfite cy'ukuntu muzanshyingura. Kuko nzapfa nyuma yanyu.
Just discovering this now. Can somebody please tell me how this happened?
Gute tubifumbuye none hari uwambwira uko byagenze?
Tests are not that hard.
Come on, bullshit.
Twapimye DNA ibyo nubusa.
Tell report I'm over wrong with that test.
Ndashaka kumenya iki tagenze neza muri izo test.
Corrupted Alex Mason's identity.
Bisa nko hari umuntu wahinduye ibiranguriya muntu.
Security, ID,
agahindura iby'umutekano we iranga muntu se ibintu byose.
accounts were hacked.
Ndetse n'imbuga nkoranyambaga ze bari barasihakinze byose barabishyize kuri kiriya kihebe.
The only thing they changed.
Mbega nk'uko umuntu yaza akakwiba ibikuranga byose akabyiyitirira nta na kimwe asize.
Yeah, and I contacted Boston College to see if they have any photos of him.
Namagaye Boston College aho yize turi mbara amafoto baba bafite. Kiresha igisubizo.
Another round of DNA test.
Twongere se tubwire kuri Rwanda Forensic Laboratory bongere baraninge DNA test bazongere bapime barebe.
Run it through CODIS this time.
Kuri inshuro bakoresha CODIS. Niko demara byumva CODIS nago busy bari abantu bapima muri Rwanda Forensic Laboratory ubwo barabyumva bakorera Kacyiru bapima n'amasani ibintu byose barapima. Nahabereye icyakumbe hakurino. Mikorojena asigaye yicara ku muhanda arasabiriza. Yabaye wamfunguriye. Bazana. Kwisakana amafaranga afite yo gushyira muri tuvugane ngahamagare. Kandi ningagari ngari mu gasuti. Si buri wambaye isuti wese ngafite amafaranga.
Could I ask you a favor?
Gusaba gafavere.
Long night.
Ijoro ryakubanyirereza.
You could say that.
Cyane ko wabyita.
What makes you ask?
Kuki bimbashe?
Oh, got a cut on your face. For starters.
Wakomeretse ku isura.
You got that bandage on your wrist.
Ndetse ufite na bandage aho ku kaboko kawe. Birabipfuko.
I'm gonna give you this jacket. It's very expensive.
Kugwa rino kote rirahenze.
I just need $1.
Wowe nguriza $1 rimwe utwara ikote.
It's not my style.
Iryo kote ntago ari style yanjye.
You think you can just buy me with a expensive jacket?
Urumva wangura ikote rihenze mwana.
You rich people.
Mwabakire mwe.
You think we're for sale just because we...
Mukeka ko twigurisha uko turi abakene.
$1.
Nkeneye $1 rimwe.
You know what it's like to need $1?
Zuko bimera gukenera $1 rimwe wari buzerika. Ndabizi. Ngo ni mikorojene. Cheka ko umuntu wamugura ngo nuko akeneye ati nkorera iki. We.
Not finished.
Nago ndarangiza kuvuga. Ni wamfunguriye urebe. Gutanga nago bisaba kuba ufite ibintu byinshi bisaba kuba ufite umutima utanga. Ati $1 rimwe sha. Arambye ati nzi uko bimera kubura $1 rimwe. Fata. Bura nanjye nzi ukuntu inzara iryana niyo mpamvu umuntu wese unsabye ibiryo.
I'll give you back your $1.
$1 ryanjye nzari gusubiza.
And more.
Urengerezeho.
Just give me back my $1.
Uzansubiza $1 ryanjye rimwe.
I don't charge interest.
Ntago ndi banka isaba inyungu iyo yaguha amafaranga.
Just like to need $1.
Mubwiye ko nguhaye iryo $1 kuko nzi uko bimera gukenera $1. Ndetse nzi nuko bimera kubura ibintu byose wari utunze. Umusaza wicaye hano. Ati nguhaye $1 kuko nzi uko bimera kubura $1. Ntago ndi bank icharginga interest. Oya. Charging inyungu we twara witurize. Abana nawe yaringagara gakubitwa. Allo?
Hello?
Hello? We know FBI. wibuka uyu niwe rurangiye akazi Will Scott amurangira ikira akamubwira ati ngwino udufashe gukora kode mu rupapuro twabonye. Will witwa Kat.
It's me.
Ni jewe.
What the hell, Will?
Will Nyagasani umuntu bari basiko bashinguye ejo.
Have you seen Anna?
Wabonye umwana wanjye Anna? Ese ameze neza?
Yeah, at your funeral yesterday.
Ejo namubonye ku kiriyo cyawe. Nyagasani mugabanga yari yarakaye.
What kind of question is that? Of course she's upset. She thinks you're dead.
Curi cyozo nyabacumba se umwana we yari yarakaye kuko yapfuye.
Right now, listen, I need to make sure Anna...
Ndashaka kumenya ko umwana wanjye Anna amayinite ahita mushirana. Ahita mushirana nawe urayazi bagito. Sike. Yuko yarumiwe je agiye gushingura Will Scott. Yumvishe Will Scott amuhamagara. Katurore. Yari hano telefone irafusona. Kat.
Yeah.
Yego.
I ask you one serious question.
Giye kubaza ikindi kibazo kiri seri.
Who else have you contacted and who else knows you're alive?
Ninde nduhamagaye ninde ndusukuri muzima. Niwe ho wenyine.
But we're gonna keep it that way.
Bikume gutyo n'ukintu tubwira.
Find you.
Giye kuza kureba tubikemure.
I'm downtown.
Gende mujyi rwagati.
Santa Fe and 7th.
Corner of Santa Fe ni hari.
Okay, there's no parking garage.
Uyatangira kumurangira hari ahantu hari parikingi.
7th and Western. I'll meet you inside it.
Muhanda wa karindwi.
Yeah, give me an hour.
Urabanza umisaha ariko.
Something I need to take care of.
Hari ibintu ngiye kubanza kwitaho.
Hey, stay safe, Will. And no matter what you do not...
Wirinde ntukiri ikintu cyari cyose ukora ntukiri ufukisha. Se duhure. Uyu ni mushuti we ukorera FBI. Uyahoza akorera NSA. Bari baramuhagaritse. Muri National Security Agency NSA y'Amerika ko bayita. Yakoreraga Will Scott witwa Kat yarumiwe ariko uzi kujya ku kiriyo cy'umuntu isho kumva guhamagaye ati bimeze bite broze. Ikibazo bikureba ibinyamakuru hano byasohotse kora mu kinyamakuru hano aziko neruka kubona ikinyamakuru we ibinyamakuru n'aba agent 8 bapfuye bapfiriye mu iturika twarebonye muri episode ya mbere komeza kureba ikinyamakuru kureba hano Will Scott waza akora NSA aruhuke mu mahoro Nyagasani ibinyamakuru byamutangaje byamubitse
Dental analysis and DNA came back without results.
Abantu bapimye amenyo bapimye na DNA batubwiye ko abantu batandukanye.
We ran a full body x-ray.
Ndetse n'umubiri wose twawupimye bya x-ray.
Prosthesis in the victim's upper right shoulder.
Dusanga uriya wapfuye yari afite akantu k'insimburangingo mu rutugu rwe.
Surgery took place 2 to 3 years ago.
Bagushize mu rutugu mu kaguru kakuma.
Markings on the prosthesis itself.
Kano ka prosthesis niko batwita. Turiya tuntu tw'insimburangingo.
Center. We've already initiated.
Kaba kariho serial number z'ivuriro ryakaguteyemo.
Undergone surgery, there would have been 2 working surgeons.
Turebye abantu bashize mutwe tuntu. Harimo umuganga witwa Andy Osma.
We've already
tugiye gwero tureba.
To match the serial numbers to the ones in our record.
Bivuze ngo tugiye kureba izo serial numbers ziri kuri kakano k'insimburangingo. Basanze muri uwo mugabo.
Trace it back to the...
Wa wundi wirashe kugira ngo bamenye iryo vuriro bamuterima ku kantu k'insimburangingo nta myirondoro basigaranye bamenye uwo ari we. Kuko uriya mugabo babonye wirashe kira kiebe cyari cyaribye imyirondoro y'umuntu witwa Alex Mace. None bagisanzemo insimburangingo ufite serial number barashaka kujya kureba iryo vuriro ryamushyizemo iyo nsimburangingo.
Rather than some...
bamenye nyine imyirondoro ye.
Provide us with any information.
All right, Kurt. You may explore that avenue, but I want all other agents to stay.
Abandi bose bakomeye ku kazi.
Good work. Dismissed.
Muchishene. Unafandi. Katuri. Yesigaye hano.
What's going on with you?
Katumeze uti. Wibuke Kati yahamagawe n'umuntu ejo yashyinguye afite ubwoba nawe ntago ari kubyumva. Bagenzi be barabona tumeze ute mwana ko tubona utarwiyambitse. Ruba rurubwa. Katururi. Uyavaye yihuse cyane yavuganye na Will Scott ko bagiye guhura ejo arabizi yaramwishyinguriye aracyari muzima ate. Nakubwiye ngo iri ya liste nari amakode yayo tutarasobanukirwa hishe byinshi. Hey! Katururi. Uyavayo. Nya. Avayo yihuse cyane ajye kuri uko bimeze. Zakurino. Kombe dore ku ishuri. Akana kari hano kapfushije papa nta byishimo gafite. Wibuke bamushyinguye ejo. Na bihugu ni n'abagome. Ejo umwana yavuye gushyingura se nta nubwo bamuha icyumweru cy'akaruhuko ugomba kubyukira ku ishuri saa moya. Papa yaje kureba akana karabona kababaye. ndetse mama yaje kugafata. Wibuka kana kakundaga papa wawe ukavuga ati papa ngiye nkunda mama ariko mba numva nakwibanira nawe kuko unera story z'ubwenge daddy uratwika. Kiniki mama yafashe akana caho. Papa yari yavuze ati mu misaha imwe abwira Kati mbegera ngaze kuri umwana wo kuntu ameze. Maze n'inzoka zikunda abana bazo ntanswe umuntu. Umugabo nawe yararize. Nanjye yararize. Hari ibirara njye mbona by'ibisambo byakubiswe koko ariko shabikunda abana babyo njye mbibona. Mwana yaje hano karababaye. Mwibutse ukeneye kwamamaza kuri izi filime uhamagara ku cyicaro gikuru cy'Agasobanuye mu Rwanda.
Do your favorite sandwich.
Ntabwo kore ya sandwich ukundi. Nayo nshaka kurya.
You need to eat, baby.
Mfite kurya mwana.
I wasn't hungry, Mom.
Kandi nkubwiye ko nashonje mama. Nyagasani. Nyimvire. Okay. Hano nimba ari ubukene. Umwana avuye ku ishuri saa sita. Muzaniye ngo umugata arye. Ntababwira impamvu ngiye Amerika ntavuye nkanga kubayo. Hasi nguruke ngo nawe rero. Ntago nahaba. Cyakora ndagenda nkanywa agacupa. Harara ntayo.
Go take a shower.
Reka njye koga.
Else before I go?
Hari ikintu ukeneye mbere yuko ngenda. Kamurya sini nakana. Ifite ibibazo kabuze papa uraza ukabwa bakita Ana. Yeah. Papa yapfuye. Mbibutsa ko mwese muri kureba iyi filime namwe muzapfa. Kana karebye hano. Telefone ya mama wako. Wibuke ku munsi w'ejo papa akajya gupfa. Bari bafitanye gahunda yo kujya kureba filime ngo ya Rocky. Akana kakabaza mu batese papa ntago yigeze aguhamagara. Mama tishwi da iso ntago yahamagaye. Kumbe papa yari yahamagaye.
Hey sweetheart.
Yumvisha message. Ni papa we.
Got a little secret tomorrow.
Cyabanga ry'ejo dufitanye.
Sweetie, I gotta cancel.
Sweetie mfite kuri canceling ya gahunda dufite twihagarika.
Things got a little crazy, but we'll reschedule.
Ikira gahunda tuyimure kandi ndagukunda.
I'll talk to you soon.
Nzakuvugisha vuba.
Bye.
Yumvishe ko papa we burya atabeshya yari yamwoherereje message. Mama kubera yashwanye na se yanze kumvisha message umwana. Abyeyi njya mbona hura n'umwana bite mwana. Papa sari aya soje umureka n'umusinzi. Ni ndaye. Bira bintu ni bibi mwamubwira abana. Twigarukire muri FBI. Liz. Liz kugera hano. Do.
He's a brave man.
Yari umugabo ufite umutima ukomeye. Tuzamukumbura. Wapfuye.
We're gonna find whoever's responsible.
Turaza kumenya ninde rubiri inyuma sasa uyu mukobwa amenye hari umuntu yakundaga muri baba sura 8 byatangiye bahira mu nzu.
Like you was like a brother to me.
Kimwe nawe yari umuvandimwe wanjye yekuri nje. Umuvandimwe kuri nje.
Yeah.
Yego.
Brother.
Yari umuvandimwe. Ciao. Bagenzi bo bakoranaga bapfuye. Bari inshuti zabo. Ngiye nungurwa no kuba nubundi twese tuzapfa kuki dupfuye mu babara. None ni bari ikintu kinshimisha nukuntu nzapfa nyuma yanyu mwese muri kureba ifire. Shaka rakantu karankorera. Munyitwareho neza ninjye uzabashyingura mume no ku mafaranga uko ninjye uzabashyingura.
Sweetie, I gotta cancel.
Umwana akomeje kumva ya message yohererejwe na se.
This work thing got a little crazy, but we'll reschedule.
Ari kumva ya gahunda mbwa ati gahunda reka tuyihindura ibintu byabaye ubusazi.
Talk to you soon.
Nzakuvugisha vuba mwana wanje.
Daddy.
Ari komeje kumva asubizaho message ya papa we mama yari yarayimuhishe. Mama arayumva yari yarayimuhishe kumwe ababyeyi muteranya abana na basi.
Really sorry.
Arabyumva.
Crazy.
Wambwiye ngo papa nta butumwa yohereje. Umugore arabyumvisha agira isoni.
I'll talk to you.
Papa yapfuye.
Okay, sweetheart.
Anna.
Bye.
Babarire Anna.
You said he didn't call.
Wambwiye ko papa atigeze ahamagara. Siko wambwiye? Twana twarikuje mu iminsi. Ngaho fata telefone yawe.
Hey, sweetheart, it's Daddy.
karongera karayipureyinga agacaho.
Secret tomorrow.
Yari yamubeshye. Umwana aragiye yirirwa kuri sara ategereje ngo papa ze barebe filime aramubura ataha yarakariye se. Ari nabwo iryo joro yumvaga ngo papa yapfuye. Barakwereka muri iryo joro. Bari ijoro nimba ari no kumanywa sinzi yaje hano. Parika hano. Ebe filime. Young. Will ashikura na Will Scott. Witwa Kati. Will. Mugabo igihugu cyose kizi ko yapfuye dore nguyu. Will we.
Shit, man.
Shit.
It's good to see you, bro. It's a long story. Back to the document. Okay, don't worry. It's a hit list, Kurt. I decoded the first name and then I was taken out.
I guess you did.
Yeah. We need to call your director.
Yeah, now, look, this is clearly bigger than you and me. What we need to do first is radar for a bit. Who else knows about this?
Who else do I trust?
An hour before meet me. Where were you?
I went to see my daughter.
aramubwiye ati ya kode rwa rwandiko babonye urimo amakode burya ngo ni hit list ni list y'abantu bagomba kwicwa abasobanuzi babwira ngo ni list y'abantu bari hit.
Yeah, why this is happening to me?
It's gonna be okay, all right? Calm. You need to take a breath and we'll analyze before we respond, all right?
Calm, okay? We need to... There are other people on this. It's a hit list.
I know. Just for a second. You say it's a hit list. Who's up next?
Each line requires a key. With each one, I have to start anew. Contact the director. I gotta get... That's the only way... Add that level of protection to get this done. I'm not...
I'm sorry, Will.
You're sorry. It's me. What's happening?
I didn't want it to come to this. Get in the car.
What the hell on you? Kurt? Do they have one of your family? We can fix this.
Please don't make this more complicated than it. Do as I say and get in the car. Get in the damn car. I don't want to hurt you.
They're not going to shoot me. And these people, they need me alive.
Something, all right? This is child for my family. Safe, as long as you do as I say. I'll explain everything. I'm not the bad guy here.
I know. We screw them. You and me. Can go into headquarters? Misunderstanding? And get protection?
Get your hands up. Get them up.
Telefone umugabo yari yizeye wenyine nawe undebere.
Hey. Yes.
Yego.
Yes, he's here with me.
Yego turi kumwe.
I'll be there soon.
Ndaje vuba bitatinze.
Understood.
Ndabyumva cyane rwose Nyagasani baramumutumye ati ndamuzanye vuba cyane indukira Nyagasani. Hey.
What happened to the crew line now?
Ese Kati narinzi wabaye iki?
Around.
Ndavuze ngo uhindukira.
Well, you've been playing both sides.
Umasike kingana icyo kirumira habiri.
Put your hands behind your back.
Amaboko inyuma y'umugongo. kora ipingu umugabo baramushaka.
Sorry, Will.
Babarire Will. Mutwe kuzuru cyawe. Punch. Fata imbundano wapi bose nabashinzwe umutekano rebe do barakigira biyirukira ku mbunda biyirukira ku modoka umwe ku mbunda undi ku modoka ndagiye usaba barani mu gatsata rebe shishene fire Katuri mugabaciyeho Katuri sasu yo baramumutumye nawe bakoranaga yarashinzwe umutekano yari inshuti ye ahisha imbundano hagarara FBI soka modoka fata modokano rebe arakurikira zinga imodoka yihuse cyane arakurikira muhanda hagati mama umutumye mbese bite ese uyu mugabo ni bande bamushaka no kuri telefone uyu mugabo nta nubwo yaragikora akazi ka leta gusa ni wenyine wabasha kumenya ko cya gipapuro burya ari lisiti y'amazina y'abantu bagomba kwicwa. Niba ku wa mbere yasanze yarapfuye vumbuye uwa kabiri kimugera asanga nawe ari gupfa ari gusamba aribwo bamushinguraga ari muzima. Gusa ngira lisiti iracyari y'amazina y'abantu benshi bagomba kwicwa kandi kugira ngo umenye ayo mazina biragoye. Yakurikiwe mu mujyi hagati katikati wibutse izi filime kuri BTN TV saa 9 kugeza saa 10 buri munsi. Ngoroke yarisa mugabo ari kugenda modoka yamuparitse iryo modoka yari idunze irongera ireguka. Urebe filime uyaparika hano wari umukurikira asigaye gusa yari inshuti ye ndetse yanamaze agati bagukoze iki kiri gutuma ushaka kundangiza yaje kumureba kati ndiba yari inshuti ye kumara nanjye nubwo yifuza kwapfa si buri guhe mukingo nawe umugirire nabi. Katururi mugabo nuko yapfuye meze biti uyarabireba bazi ko yapfuye mu gihugu cyose n'uwo yari yizeye yaragiye guha amakuru nuko bigenze. Yakoze nta kindi yagufatiye telefone uyu mugabo yari afite wibuke noneho yavuganiragaho n'abari bamumutumye arayitwara. Zino telefone buriya ziba zibitse amabanga nk'ayisuyime yo muri roge sha biba bimeze kimwe buriya nayo ngiye ibitse amabanga fayo njiramo hano abanza guhanagurira imodoka kuraho ibikumwe byaho yakoze hose bataza bagapima n'ibikumwe arabazi Rwanda Forensic Laboratory bafite ukuntu bapima ahantu hakoze bagapima DNA ahabereye icyaha barapima bararenze ibanje gusibanganya ibimenyetso. Katurure Lizi yari hano ibashuti yo bamaze iminsi bapfuye bari mu gahinda nabo bakoranaga.
Hey, I've been looking for you.
Bene gushakira hose Robert aradukeneye. Liz Robert na fande hari ikibazo.
Just got back from the morgue.
Mvuye muri moruke.
Robert wanted me to check with his team of analysis.
Barambwiye ngo nje kureba ubusesenguzi bwakozwe ku bapfuye.
Identified suicide victim.
Cyane kuri wa undi wiyahuye cya kibe kirashe tugiye kugifata.
I saw.
Nabonye.
So what?
Wabonye iki?
I saw the remains of the bodies.
Nabonye ibisigarizwa by'imibiri y'abagenzi bacu. Kwibuke bapfuye baturikijwe. Ubwo nyine nizingaro hirya akaboko hirya iki niki.
Gonna do anything for us.
Kurakara ntacyo biri bukumarire. Ntacyo biri budufasha. Hari uburyo bumwe twabikemuramo.
You know what that is, don't you?
Uzi ubwo buryo? Kubabara nta kintu byahindura.
I was 17. when I got the news my father passed.
nari mfite imyaka 17 ubwo namenyaga ko papa yapfuye.
Stabbed twice in the chest.
Bamujombye icyuma kabiri mu gituza.
Dead in an alley right off Sycamore.
Bamusigaho mu muhanda nyine.
Can't even begin to describe the pain I felt.
Ntabwo nakubwira uburibwe numvishe mfite.
Life goes on.
Gusa ubuzima burakomeza.
Life just goes on.
Ubuzima burakomeza.
Goes on with or without you.
Bivuze ngo ubuzima bugomba gukomeza waba uhari waba udahari. Ubuzima burakomeza.
Had to move forward.
Nagombaga gukomeza ubuzima.
Police academy.
Ninjira muri polisi nditoza.
Trained hard. In hopes of finding my father.
Nditoza cyane mvuga ni nzafata umuntu wishe papa.
And so I did.
Kandi uwawishe papa kuko naramufashe. Maze kugera mu gipolisi. Reba Liz.
I'm not going to tell you that you don't get to grieve.
Ntabwo nakubwira ngo urekeraho kumva ufite agahinda.
Look at me.
Tibariko.
Use the pain.
Ubwo buribwe ufite bukoreshe.
Use the pain.
Ubwo buribwe bukoreshe. Sibyo. Nimba ko umuntu yaduye mu kiyaga dutwara bacu tumushake.
David, tell me.
David mbwira. Hari amakuru yakiriye. Gasani. Iki? Hari amakuru yakiriye. Yikangamo.
Peterson, you and Norville headed to Boston, right?
Peterson, wena mugenzi wawe mwerekeje muri Norville.
MIT connection.
Twagiye kureba muri MIT ahuriya mugabo yize baracyari kwiga kuri cya kibe kirashe banze bakimenye.
Full report of my death in the hour dismissed.
Nonzere raporo yose ku ntebe yanjye ni muyirangize muco. Bano baje hano.
It's Kurt. He was in...
Ni Kati. Nararira. Mugenzi we bukomeje gupfa.
You're telling me we lost another agent?
Urambwira ko twabuze undi mu agent?
Pursuit of a suspect in downtown LA.
Yarari guhiga ukekwa muri downtown muri Los Angeles. Yagasani. Undi mugenzi wabo arapfuye. Hey, iki kirego gikomeje kubacanga. Baby.
He said he was in pursuit of a suspect. Do we know?
Umbwiye ko yarakurikiye uri guhigwa. Uri guhigwa twaba tumuzi wapi?
His behavior yesterday, it's like he was
imyitwarire je afite abona gasa nkaho
scared of something.
Afite ubwoba bw'ikintu icyo cyose.
Sir.
Yakubahwa.
I'll take the responsibility of contacting his family.
Kwamagara famiye y'izo nshingano reka bari ngiye uza kuzifata. Biba bigoye. Abari ujye
Traffic cam footage. Meet back here as soon as.
Munshakira amashefu yafashwe na kamera mu muhanda turebe yapfuye ate. Barababaye.
Sorry.
Babarira fande. Yeah. Fande yasigaye hano. Kirego cyabacanze. Ntibazi n'ibiki bijya mbere na ya list ubu ngubu none ubu nta niyo bafite. Umuntu byibura wagerageje no kuvumbura ibiri kuri iyo liste dore nguyu. Gusa nawe zamwumiyeho yabuze umuntu numwe yizeye. No kumubona agenda n'amakoto kavuga ati dore ingagari sha mu gasuti yakuze muri Mika Fashion kumbe nta ngagari yirimo. Zamwumiyeho. Ari umuntu ubona agenda mu muhanda bayifite ibibazo bye. Asegeze gutya. Ashyira password muri telefone yandikamo kati biranga. Ni telefone wa mugenzi wapfuye ya kati. Uyayisigaranye nyine byibura rebe nimba nta makuru yayikoramo gusa nta password afite ifungura. Yicaye ku muhanda. Yicaye ibyapa. Gusa kuri hano hari nimero y'umukobwa wamuhamagaye. Nako yamusigira amubwira tuzamamagare. Ni umukobwa wamubwiye ati ngiye nakugonze ngira ngo ngutabare kuko barashaka kukwica.
Still no face detection from this angle.
Na nubu nta sura nimwe turi kubona.
Kurt chases his own vehicle with the suspect's car. It doesn't.
bivuze ngo Kati yari ari gukurikira umugizi wa nabi kandi umugizi wa nabi yari ari mu modoka ya Kati.
So interrogated the owner of the vehicle. Kurt was
twamagaye nyiri modoka Kati yamukurikiye matwaye. Avuga ko Kati yimukuyemo mutunzi imbunda niya modoka yatse umuturage agakurikira Will Scott.
Never gave up easy.
Ntabwo yajyaga apfa kuva ku bintu byoroshye.
So I was thinking.
Uzicyo nekereza.
Can you play back about 30 seconds?
Subiza inyuma y'amashusho yafashwe ku muhanda ku masegonda 30 aho ngaho. Rebe kurano yitonze. Rebe film.
Fleeing an FBI agent only to spend the last few moments at his side.
Umuntu warori guhunga ni gutegarutse kongera kagaruka ku modoka y'umuntu uri kumuhiga.
call for backup.
Kuki atamagaye ubundi umusada.
Personal affair.
Bisa nkaho byari ibibazo bye bwite.
Off the clock pissing contest. Gone too far.
Bisa nkaho bamurakaje bikagira kure.
You look like a close pair.
Uriya muntu ariko mu mukuru neza twitonda. Zooming. Barariba kamera.
Serious.
Urabona ikiriza.
Grief.
Regret.
Wait a second. Is
Uretse gato.
Cryptographer.
Uriya ntabwo ari cryptographer wa musore wacu Will. Ntabwo bishoboka.
The guy died 2 days ago.
Hashize iminsi 2 uwo nguwo wapfuye cryptographer ntabwo yaba ari we.
I suggest we ask his family a few more questions.
Urabizi tujye gusura famiye tuyihate ibibazo.
That doesn't make any sense.
Mu byubero bye ntabwo bisobanutse. Hari igitekerezo kirenze ufite?
I think so.
Ntacyo ufite.
Guys,
tujye kubaza famiye ye ko bimeze. Uyu we kamera yakuriye nabi wa musore wacu Will Scott yaragonzwe. Yamanuka yabaye. Ntago amakosa yari yawe. Nari mfite kubikora.
How do you know my name?
Usigute izina ryanjye.
Where you live?
Nzaho utuye.
Do for a living?
Nzi icyo ukora ngo ubeho.
I know there are people looking for you.
Nzi ko hari n'abantu bari kuguhiga. Hey, umukobwa bahuye. Yararibye ku ishuri disi abantu bose bazi ko yapfuye. Abona akana kari kurira. Akana ndetse kamenye ko papa yanahamagaye mama kabigahisha. Kuki wambwiye ko papa atigeze ahamagara? Umugabo mu binyamakuru banditse ko yapfuye. Rest in peace umusaza.
Just you.
Umuntu wa mbere yahamagaye yabwiye ati niwe wenyine mama kina wundi ndabibwira. Uribi. Uyu nawe cyakiye bafashe kigahita kirasa. Yaravuze ati uyu ntago ari umugabo wanjye. Ni cyari cyaribye imyirondoro y'umugabo we kiramwiyitirira.
Protection to get this done. And that way I can just focus. I'll have protection around.
Rebe. Yatarajye kure mugenzi wo mutunga imbunda ni Kati. Hey. Twabibonye. Byabaye. Byabaye. Yagambaniwe n'inshuti yari yizeye yimenyesha akakiri muzima. Inshuti ye nuko byagenze. Yasigaye mu nzira. Sibyo? Ya. Naho yasigaye. Gusa ajya kugenda yafashe telefone ye. Telefone buriya y'umuntu ibirimo ibintu byinshi. Katururi. Tangire hano. Kana kari gucuranga piano. Ni kakana kiba kita Ana. Abye nabo nabagome. Mwana yitwa Ana twikorereze filime. Kari gucuranga izagahinda. Bunderega n'indirimbo umuntu ari kumva bikwereka umurengwa asigaye afite. N'umwijogotonyoro. Mu byo bintu ushobora kubirebera ku ndirimbo umuntu asigaye yumva. Jano kana karakariye mama shaho.
Playing something a little more upbeat, sweetie.
Basi wagerageje gucuranga ibindi bintu mwana wanjye. Basi mu rugo tube dufite ibintu byiza. Mwana ari gucuranga indirimbo z'agahinda. Kirano rwakumanze umukecuru. Jya kureba. Rebe. Uyu ni madamu wa Will Scott.
You?
Nabafasha.
Mrs. Scott, we're with the bureau.
Madame Scott, duturutse muri FBI umugabo afite tatuwaje.
Will Scott is your husband?
Harya Will Scott si umugabo wawe?
My ex-husband.
Yahoze ari umugabo wanjye. Bari baratandukanye.
Attempted to make contact with you recently.
Mu minsi ishize yaberigeze guhamagarara. Kuki?
Dead.
Yarapfuye ariko.
He passed away a few days ago.
Hashize iminsi mike apfuye. Mwakabaye mubizi. Ibaze n'abakora FBI.
I haven't noticed anything.
Ese nta kintu kidasanzwe waba umaze iminsi ubona ugakeka. Ushaka kuvuga iki?
You don't know, tried to get in touch with you.
Ese umugabo we ntabwo yigeze agerageza kukuvugisha? Cyangwa undi muntu wakuvugisha nyuma y'uko umugabo wapfuye?
Why?
Kubera iki ariko?
It happened?
Hari icyabaye?
There's nothing for you to worry about, ma'am.
Nta cyatuma uhangayika.
I do want to stress, however, that this matter is very important.
Ntabwo twashaka gutera stress ariko ikibazo cyari kibiteye ni ingenzi.
Information regarding your husband.
Nugira amakuru nayekeranye n'umugabo wawe.
people that he was spending
aho yabari
days leading up.
cyangwa abantu yabanaga nabo bya hafi watumenyesha.
Will and I divorced 4 months ago.
Maze amezi ntandukanye n'umugabo wanjye.
We've had since was during custody exchange of our daughter.
Duhamagarana iyo agiye kuma umukobwa wanjye cyangwa nkamuha ngo babirirwane.
Think of anything suspicious, please let us know.
We nugira icyo ubona ukeka cye kuzatumenyesha.
How will I get a hold of you?
None se nzabahamagara kuki ko mutansikiye nimero zanyu. Twe dufite izawe humura nyagasani. Abagabo bacishene yarumirwa gusa kana kumvirizaga kana gacaho kaza kwicara hano mama rumiwe abantu baje kumubaza ngo bakorera FBI kandi bamubaza ku mugabo yapfuye ngo ntago muherukana iki niki kandi nta muntu utabizi ko umugabo yapfuye. Nuko dutangiye episode ya 3 mwibutsa izi filmu zisanga ku gasobanuye.com. Yeah. Bimeze bite? Rebe umugabo aracyazerera umugina n'uyu munsi nta muntu umwe afite wo kwizera. Gusa aho twasigiye mwahabonye ndetse izi filmu ukeneye kuzamamazaho uhamagara ku cyiciro gikuru cy'Agasobanuye bakita Rock Entertainment 0786688331 sibyo cyangwa mukatwandikira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zacu ababishinzwe bwombi iki niki baragusubiza katurori. Yeah. Kututangi bakize Saifa. Mugabo ari hano. Rebe. Fata dunia yo tuceceke.
Mind.
Nishimiye ko ndi ibitekerezo yamugarukiye.
To be honest with you, I didn't really have a choice.
I didn't
come back because I trust you. I'm here because you're the only one left.
Got you.
All right.
Sawa.
I'm listening.
No, ndakumva.
What do you want to know?
Tell
me everything.
Well, I don't know everything, but I'll tell you what I know. Okay. I've been after this document for a while. Who are they? They want. Who are the targets? What is the end game? And these people that are listed on the implicated in this whole scheme? What have they done to be sorry? Who are the people behind all?
That sounds like a lot of questions. What about answers? You have any?
I'm working on it. Thought that I was getting close to solving a part of this mystery. You suddenly showed up. Nothing's been the same since.
Hell. So how did you find me?
I was following a lead and
Where?
Philip Washington. Bell? I was there. It was me who called the police. You were supposedly dead.
I am dead. Did you happen to get a glimpse of them?
By the time I got there, your body had gone before I could make out the license plate.
No clues, no. Didn't even get a glimpse of them. How'd you first discover the list?
It wasn't me.
Who was it?
My father.
Papa wanjye niwe warufumbuye. Uyasoma kuri dunia yote uko ibibazo byiyongera. Wibutsa dunia yote irimo tombora. Twagiye kureba sose akatubwira.
He's dead.
Papa wanjye yarapfuye.
They killed him.
Baramwishe. Gasani.
Sorry.
Wihangane. yarapfuye.
The guy I thought was my best friend.
Umuhungu natekereza ko ari inshuti yanjye.
Turns out to be a traitor.
Byarangiye nawe ari umugambanyi.
He's now 6 feet under.
Ubu ngubu yanapfuye.
Can't even go home to my family because my ex-wife and daughter think I'm dead.
Ubu nubwo nataha mu rugo kuko wahoze ari umugore wanjye siko napfuye.
Nothing.
Nta kintu dufite natwe hano.
Not even the list.
Na list ubu ntayo dufite.
So that we can try to understand who's behind it.
Byibura list tuyibonye twamenye ninde uri inyuma y'ibi bintu byose. Ya list irimo code ntayo gifite hano.
I have a copy.
Mfite kopi. Hey! Mfite kopi ya list. Ya list irimo amakode afite kopi. Umusore mu muhanga. Kati yararenze ko ari mugenzi wacu gusa numwe yapfuye. Yari inshuti.
He was one of the best.
Kandi yari umwe mu bambere kumbe ntago bazi ko yari umugambanyi yishwe na Will Scott. Baravuga Kati.
I know it's the last thing you want to think about.
Ndabizi nicyo kintu cyanyuma ushaka gutekereza. Gusa famiye yawe tuzayitaho. Barabwira umugore wapfuye.
It's already been appointed.
Ndetse hari n'amafaranga nyine yo kumufasha yabaye atanzwe yo kumushyingura. Umukozi wa FBI wapfuye.
If you need
nugira icyo ukenera
my personal number.
Iyi niyo nimero yanjye bwite wampamagaraho. Pani y'akazi. Abonye abantu b'abasirimu aguha business card nawo mwebwe murahura n'umuntu ngo fata telefone nkubwire nimero. Ngandika 07 kangahe. Asha.
What's your name?
Witwa nde?
Tommy.
Nitwa Tommy wapfuye afite umwana.
Tommy, can you take care of your mom?
Tommy mama we wazamwitaho.
Not a boy.
Aho ni sawa.
Well,
tuzasubira kandi umuntu ahaguruka agenda mwe umuntu ajya guhaguruka ugafata ibitoki ukabikaraga ukayamba. Papa yapfuye. Papa w'umwana. Katorori. Byose biraza kumera sawa. Cyo bimaze kuba hari yaje hano. Aba nabo bakorera FBI. Nabo baracyari mu iperereza ryo bababwiye ngo baze kujya kuvugisha umugore wa Will Scott ngo bamubaze iby'umugabo we. Kuko aramusho babonye ariko babona none umuntu wagira ngo asanga Will Scott ariko nabo babyemeye.
Let's go.
Ngino tugende.
What's wrong?
Kibazo ki?
What's wrong?
Kibazo ki?
You know what's wrong.
Ikibazo urakizi.
What are we even doing here?
Bundi turakurikirana.
We're here because our superiors wanted us to follow up.
Turi hano kuko abayobozi bacu batubwiye ngo tuhaze. Afande aba yabwiye ngo mugende mubaze madamu wa Will Scott nimba nta makuru y'umugabo kandi umugabo yarapfuye.
Who's still in mourning?
Tugiye kubaza umugore ukiri mugenda ko umugabo wapfuye.
News from her recently deceased.
Tumubaze ngese umugabo muraherukana kandi tubizi neza ko amaze iminsi apfuye. Urumva gushinyagura kurenza uko ari ukuye. Vayo tugende. Fande yavuze.
Let's go.
Tugende. Fande nimba avuze ubwo yavuze. Hari amashusho Fande yabonye bona nubwo atabonaga neza harimo ikintu cy'igihu n'iki. Vayo. Hako nino. Uyu nawe afitanye ikibazo n'umwana bafitanye beef. Kana karakariye mama. Nibiri cyubyiri. Kana papa akamaze iminsi apfuye. Umugore afite umunzani mu nzu yewe muri kubona inyuma we. Cyewe. Vayo.
Miss Scott.
Madam Scott.
Soda, this is my partner, Agent Green.
Uyu ni Agent Green, turakorana.
You have a few questions.
Tugufite ibibazo biki?
What is this?
Hasi bini biki?
Is my house the official FBI headquarters?
Inzu yanjye yabaye dikote FBI. Kuki?
I just spoke with 2 of your agents.
Simaze kuvugana n'abandi baturutse kuri FBI mu kanya aba agent.
Yes.
Yego.
2 agents just
Vuganye n'aba agent babiri bameze nk'amba.
Might ask me if you
Baje bambaza ibibazo nk'ibyo muje kumbaza.
You're here.
Ariko ubwo muri rero namwe reka mbabwire.
My ex-husband.
Wose umugabo wanjye.
Scott is
Will Scott yarapfuye.
No. I haven't seen him.
Sindongera kumubona. Ntabwo nteka ko nzongera kumubona vuba.
Unless the FBI believes in ghosts.
Kereka nimba FBI yizerera mu mizimu. Sasa FBI yarishe kukekeranya ivuga ati umugabo wawe uramuheruka basanze ari nabandi baje kumubaza bataza bari.
So this was your father's copy?
Uvuze ngo niyo kopi ya papa wawe. Uyu mukobwa yari afite kopi.
But I always saw it as his death certificate.
Ati igipapuro buri gihe nyibona nk'ari cyo cyatumye papa wanjye apfa. Cya gipapuro kirimo amakode.
Deciphering is my job and this
Giye gukuramo kode no gusobanura ibintu nk'ibi niko kazi kanje. Ariko sindabona akazi gakomeye muri kariyeri yanjye yose nkaka. Bari kwinywera dunia yote. none se niki kiri gutuma bigorana?
Okay.
Reba hano urebe
each individual line
buri muntu wese
runs with someone's name.
urimo hano biba bihura n'izina ry'undi muntu.
But for each line, I need to come up with a different method of deciphering.
ndetse buri murongo wose ngezeho mba ngomba kuzana indi metode nshyashya yo gukuramo iyo kode.
And I'm not even sure these are names.
nta nubwo mba nzi neza nimba ari amazina y'abantu, nta nubwo mba nzi bino nimba ari amatariki bazapfiraho, nta nubwo biri ku murongo umwe.
No usable or
ubwije ukuri
pattern.
bino bintu biravanze.
How did you crack the first 3 names?
amazina ya mbere so yamenye ute? atatu.
Well, for each line,
kuri buri murongo
I have to try dozens of equations.
nageragezaga equation nyinshi cyane nka 12.
Individual code separately.
ndetse na kode yindi yo ku ruhande nkabishakira equation mu buryo butandukanye. Biragoye.
Sorry. Help you if I was even remotely good.
nakagufashije iyo mva kuba ndi umuhanga mu mibare.
What is your line of work?
none se ukora iki?
I'm an interior designer.
Njye nkora interior design. Interior design nibyo akoramo. Designinga mu mazu iki ni cyane bakatsa. Ajon.
What's up?
Bimeze bite?
Sir, are you certain that there are no other departments besides
ese nayo department iri kuri kino kirego cyacu?
I'm sure.
ndabizi ntayo.
Is it CIA?
CIA.
CIA has other things to worry about.
CIA ifite ibindi bintu ihangayikiye.
NSA?
NSA.
We are the only ones on this.
nitwe twenyine turi kuri iki kirego FBI.
And 2 unknown agents landing at Wilson.
none gute aba agent tutazi bagiye ku muryango wa Madame Scott bagiye kumubaza amakuru y'umugabo we.
To a T.
Sir, they asked her if she'd seen Will Scott.
bari bagiye kubaza niba yaruka kubona umugabo we.
That he was dead.
You get descriptions.
bababwiye abo bantu ko bameze.
Matches nearly half our staff.
batubwiye ko bameze twumva si.
Stood out was one of the 2 detectives had a star tattoo.
ngo gusaba agent babiri bagiye kumureba bari bafite inyenyeri tatuwaje y'inyenyeri ku kaboko. bya bishushanyo bishushanyo.
And at a 5th column
or our first direct contact with who's ever responsible for this list. If that was them, that's a bold move.
nimba bari bo rero bagize bana abindi bakoze igikorwa kibi. ese kuki bari kugenda kuri Will Scott? ni umuntu bari bagiye kwihera akazi gusa umunyakira kutari uri no mu kirego uzi gukuramo amakode gusa. kubera iki Will Scott bamushaka? dore nguyu no gukoresha intoki ebyiri, no kwandikisha amakaramu abiri. nakubwiye ngo bino bintu bisaba ubwenge gukoresha umutwe. nabonye abantu benshi bakoresha umutwe, bavugana n'umukobwa ati ariko nshaka kujya gukoresha umutwe. wamaye amafaranga bivuze ngo ntago abasanzwe menya gukoresha we. mujye mukoresha umutwe mutekereza wana. umutwe mugenda ahubwo bawusukura ariko umutwe ntago bawukoresha bageze muri saro gusa.
Just been going in circles all night.
ijoro ryose naraye nzenguruka yandika byisubiramo nyine bimucanga, ntago ari ukuzenguruka agenda. hari gutangira nyine ikibazo kigatangira bushya.
Should get some rest, huh?
waruhutse se bigeze nka saa 7 zibura saa 10 z'ijoro.
I found a few extra clothes.
hano hari imyenda nari mpabonye.
It's all that I could find that was left of my father's.
niyo ya papa nari mbonye isigaye hari wajya uyambara mw'iyi minsi.
Do you need anything else?
hari ikindi kintu waba ukeneye?
No.
oya.
Okay.
katorori. yeah.
Good night.
Ramuke.
Good night.
Ramuke. ni umukobwa bari kubana mw'iyi minsi.
Can I come in?
ninjire akana karakariye mama.
Is everything all right?
mbese neza mwana wanjye. arabaza akana karababaye.
Baby. Leave me alone.
wanitse njyenyine.
You can't stay mad at me forever, you know.
Mommy?
mama.
Yeah, baby?
Can you lie next to me? Just for tonight?
mama iri joro wanjyama iruhande basi. kana DC byagacanze kasabye bamba kukaraza muri iryo joro nawe yaraye hano mu ntebe rebe filime Nabizi
You're not the only one who's been having a hard time falling asleep.
Mwana wanjye nagari wenyine ufite ibibazo byo gusinzira muri kano kanya nanjye birangoye
Why does Daddy's parents never come to see us?
Ese ababyeyi ba papa kuki bataje kudusura
Wow.
nyine
You know, Daddy's parents gotten very...
ababyeyi ba papa wawe barashaje cyane
Sometimes when people get old,
kandi abantu bashaje
their bodies can tend to get weak.
imibiri yabo iragenda ikamenya ntege nke
All the way out in Oklahoma.
kandi urabizi batuye muri Oklahoma
So, unfortunately,
ikibabaje
they've gotten so weak they can't come visit us.
babaye bananyantege nke ku buryo batabasha kugera ngo badusure
Why don't we go visit them?
twese kuki tutajya kubasura ikibazo nimba bataza kudusura ahubwo icyo gitekerezo ni cyiza uyu yafashe ya telefone sasa ni ya telefone yakuye kuri wa mugabo wapfuye ni kati yari umugambanyi yakoranaga n'abagambanyi ndetse yaragiye kumujyana wa wundi wari inshuti ye yaraye areba muri telefone uyu nawe ari hano n'umwana uyu yarabyuka muri iryo joro Zani telefone areba ahantu yayihisha aza akora hano ni telefone ashaka kureba ahantu yayihisha iyi telefone yayambuye umugabo wavuganaga n'abamutumye uyu telefone ndayitsimba tsimba mu telefone hano munsi y'intebe ari kubana n'umukobwa atazi
I know, I'm sorry to bother you so late. It's just...
bare kukubangamira bwije na fande wa FBI
Things aren't good to hear.
ibintu ntabwo bimeze neza hano
No, I'm not putting the full blame on you.
ntabwo nshaka kubigushyiraho byose ngo mbikurenganyirize
But that was your tip that led us there, and God knows if I didn't listen to you, my agents would still be alive.
ati buri kiyo maya makuru haboneka amaraso iyo nabikora ngo nkumvire abayagenti banjye bari ko bakiri bazima
I want you to know what's going on.
ndashaka kumenya n'ibiki bijya mbere hano
People are asking questions, and I could get in a lot of trouble.
mbere yuko nisanga mu bindi bibazo
To know if maybe there's something you're hiding from me.
ndashaka kumenya niba nta kintu uri kumisha uyu na fande wa FBI sinzi nitari guhamagara ninde
No.
oya
Listen, calm down.
bantu nyumva ariko tuzi
You've been very hard to get a hold of ever since the
kuva ryaturika ryaba biragoye kuba umuntu yaguhamagara ngo akubone
I mean, very
none nibwo nguhamagaye bigacamo ni sawa hano hari undi uri gukuramo kode uyu muyobozi wa FBI
Okay. Well, I need to see you.
Okay, nkeneye kukubona afungura nguvu hano ejo tubonane
Same place.
yego ahandi dusanzwe duhurira
Okay.
bariho bahurira
Good.
byiza
See you then.
tuze kubona nayo noneho uyu na fande wa FBI wibuke ni nawe bahaye amakuru y'ahantu biriya byose byari biri na kiriya gipapuro cyari kiri yanze kuvuga uwamuhaye amakuru katurori barakwereka ibyo byarabaye akana kagaruka ku ishuri papa yarapfuye akana muri iyi minsi ntabwo kameze neza karababaye ni ka ana gusa papa agira gutya buri kabonye akanya basa kibeta buriya papa kaza ku ishuri kurunguruka areba akana uko kameze aza areba akana kameze gute kana karababaye nakabayaga nya kana guhindukira gutya papa kabonye papa cyewe papa arishe tugaruke hano
I got 9 dead agents now.
mfite abayagenti 9 bapfuye bitewe n'ahantu wambwiye ngo na warehouse wandangiye umukozi mubi yarenganya ibikoresho bye nanjye ubwo ari amakuru nari nishize mu kangaratete ariko abishyuye ubuzima bwabo n'aba agent banje niwo muhaye amakuru y'umusaza ni gute numva buri munota ndi kwicuza nta hari njye wakoze ikintu kiba amakosa yanjye Robert
we don't always regret the bad things we do.
nta giteka twicuza ibintu bibi dukora
But sometimes we regret
rimwe na rimwe
things we do.
twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi ibaza ariko hari igihe ngo twicuza ibintu byiza dukorera abantu babi aho kwicuza ibintu bibi twakoze nabyo birashoboka ntabwo buri gihe wahora wicuza ibintu bibi wakoze n'igihe wicuza ibintu byiza wakoreye abantu babi ese hari ikintu utari kumbwira
That's insulting.
mbese muri kunuka
I need to know.
nkeneye kumenya
You're behaving as if we have no history.
uri kwitwara nkaho nta mateka dufitanye mwana
I'm trying to solve a case.
ndi kugerageza gukemura ikirego kiri hano uyu ni wa FBI uyu niwe muhaye amakuru y'ahantu hari rwa rwandiko hari n'ikihebe barahageze barahaturikira
That it was important.
Yeah, but did you know?
Robert, I want answers as much as you do.
cye ntabwo nari mfite ibisubizo nk'ibyo ushaka
Can you help me solve this or not?
fasha rero kino kibazo tugikemure cyangwa umbwire niba bidashoboka
Desperation is...
guta umutwe ntabwo bikubereye
Just answer my
Listen to me.
nyumva ariko nyumva
You have brought nothing to the table.
ubundi we nta n'ikintu wanzaniye
Favors.
usibye kuba waraje kunsaba faveri
I give you a tip. It's
naguhaye amakuru
want answers.
kubera aribyo bisubizo nari mfite nanjye nashakaga ibisubizo yamuhaye amakuru ahantu kiriya kibiri kiriya gihebe cyari kiri n'ari amadokima
Just do your job.
rero ugenda ukora akazi kawe
If you do it right, we'll both get
akazi nugakora neza twese turabona icyo dushaka
Which is?
peace of mind.
icyo dushaka kandi ni amahoro yo mu mutwe nta kirenzeho uyu niwe murangiye ati kibe kiri hano agiye yohereza aba agent we dutangira filime
Will Scott.
ese umugabo bita Will Scott waba umuzi Will Scott uramuzi niyo magambo yamubajije uriya mugabo bari bagiye guha akazi ko gukuramo kode
Match. The marking on the victim's prosthesis corresponds with your hospital. Your
sasa cya kibe bakibonyemo ko cyari gifite insimburangingo bagicometsemo ati twasanze uwo mugabo ari hano yafuriwe mwatwereka amadosiye ye bakamenya imyirondoro y'icyo kihebe kuko imyirondoro cyagenderago n'indi muntu cyari cyaribye ariko siriyo namba bagisanzemo yari iri kuri ya nsimburangingo mu mubiri igaragaza ko cyavuga muri ibitaro
But that's not the issue.
ikibazo rero ntabwo ari icyo
Somehow we lost the file and I have no
amadosiye y'uwo murwayi twarayabuze ntituzi aho yagiye
over the place.
ariho imyirondoro y'icyo kigabo
How is that possible?
bishoboka bite
I don't have the answer to that.
nta gisubizo mfite cy'icyo kibazo madamu
I'm a surgeon,
genda umubaze
not a records keeper.
ntabwo ndubika amadosiye ntabwo ari records keeper
failure to
we ni surgeon none se uyu muntu uramwibuka mwerekana icya kigabo sasa mu bitaro hey jya hasi bitaro yaje kubazamo amakuru n'amadosiye ya cya kihebe kivurijemo bamenye amazina yacyo kimwe twatangiye kirasa mujye hasi none baramenya imyirondoro yacu akiri mu bitaro yumvishe amasasu ibitaro hamagara 911 yuri nimero ya polisi gatururi bebe hey uyu ni Riz Kasani uraza kumera sawa uyu murasiye kwa muganga komeza imbere numva uri dore urashe uyarakurikira urashe mu bitaro shaho acho gatururi hey bisa nkaho bano bantu babakurikirana wari ugiye kubaza amakuru y'ikihebe ibibaye ku bitaro murabibonye naho habaye kurasana ari amadosiye cyangwa se kiriya gipapuro twabonye cyanditse mu makode menya ibiri hatari byiza na gato gatururi muganga ari hehe muganga Koti ari hehe wa muganga yari ari kuvugisha umwirabura umwe ufite amakuru avuga gato umuntu muganga uramubonyera Nyagasani muganga yisaburirwa irengero nawe bisa nk'ubu bano bagizi ba nabi cyangwa babiri inyuma kubamenya kizira gatururi hey
You're back.
uragarutse
I see you wearing your new clothes.
ndabona wambaye imyenda mishyashya
Suits you.
irakubereye
Thank you.
urakoze
I was worried.
nari mpangayitse
I really don't think you should be roaming around.
ntabwo nkeka ukwiye gukomeza uzenguruka hirya no hino muri karitsiye.
Where were you?
wari uri he?
Said get out, get some air.
nari ngiye gufata akayaga.
Dropped into my daughter's school.
nca no ku ishuri ry'umukobwa wanjye.
You have a daughter?
ufite umukobwa?
Said to check on her, make sure she was okay.
nari ngiye kureba ko umukobwa wanjye ameze neza.
You know, you could have put her life in danger.
ubuzima bw'umukobwa wawe nabwo ushobora kubushyira mu kangaratete.
Could have seen you.
hagize umuntu ukubona.
Nari
mukumbuye.
And she's everything.
kandi umukobwa wanjye ni buri kimwe.
Without her, this, I mean, the whole world means nothing.
umukobwa wanjye adahari ibi byose bisobanuye ubusa.
She's my little angel.
ni marayika wanjye muto.
I mean, she's tough, but she has a heart of gold,
mwana wanjye arakomeye afite umutima wa zahabu.
like I've never seen in another person before.
nigeze mbona n'undi muntu uwo ari we wese.
She's the only thing keeping me going.
ndetse umwana wanjye niwe ukomeje kumbeshaho. aravuga umukobwa we. nyawo. yakuzaba mani. hakunino. yaje hano.
The prosthesis we found in Alex Mays' upper right shoulder turns out to be a dead end.
ya nsimburangingo twasanze muri uriya mugabo byabaye nk'aho ari ryo herezo menya nta yandi makuru ye tuzongera kubona.
Sounds like someone made sure the records of Alex Mays' surgery were erased before we could track him.
bisa nk'aho uriya mugizi wa nabi yabanje gusibanganya ibimenyetso by'uwo mugabo Alex Mays mbere yuko tuhagera. Alex Mays yimye ko kirakeye bakitaga ariko nayo ni imyirondoro cyari cyaribye.
He's a good man.
kati wapfuye ari umuntu mwiza.
Seemed like he was acting a little strange before his accident.
ariko mbere yuko iriya manuka iba yapfiremo kati yari ari kwitwara mu buryo budasanzwe.
Started keeping to himself.
bisa nk'aho ari ikintu cyari kiri kumurangaza cyangwa kumubangamira akabyihererana.
That was bullshit.
I guess.
Kurt was never an introvert.
kati ntabwo yajyaga yihererana amakuru.
Somebody scared him.
bisa nk'aho ari umuntu wamuteye ubwoba.
Who verified the identity?
ubundi tubanze tumenye kati ajya gupfa yarakurikiye Will Scott yanamugambaniye.
Just be done with this shit.
Done with it? Are you listening to yourself?
bino tube tubyihoreye uri kwiyumva ariko ngo tube tubyihoreye.
9 agents have died. On what?
aba agent icyenda bapfiriye kuri iki kirego gusa.
That has to be an all-time low for the bureau.
ndetse bizahoraho igihe cyose icyo gihombo tugize muri iyi biro yacu.
We've barely made any progress.
none nta hantu turi kujya mbega ntaho bari kuva naho bari kujya kuri iki kirego ngo bavuge ngo wenda bari gusatira.
I have lost some of my closest friends from this case. You don't trust me about being done with it.
naburiye inshuti zanjye za hafi muri iki kirego ntumbwire ngo tukiveho.
I agree with you.
turemeranya ariko turemeranya. wisi turi kumwe. oya umukobwa yarakaye.
You think this isn't hard for me?
urakeka njye ntabwo bingoye.
Those were my best.
buriya bose bapfuye nanjye bari inshuti zanjye. bari bameze nka famiye.
And you.
kandi nawe.
I care about you.
erega nawe nkwitaho riza.
I want you to know I'm here. If you need anything.
ndetse mba ngira ngo umenye ko mpari igihe cyose wagira icyo ukenera. nabakorana. dusubire mu kazi.
Have you seen Robert?
Robert wamubonye?
He was here earlier today.
yari ari hano kare. ntabwo wamubonye? uyu kurebamo hano byabacanze. ntaho bari kujya ku kirego cyabo ngo bavuge ngo wenda aro bari gukeka. hari aho bari kugana wapi. ikirego gisa nk'icyabacanze cyahagarariye hamwe. ikirego cyabo cyose gisa nk'igishingiye ku gipapuro kirimo amakode. icyo gipapuro dore ngiki. uyakomeje gukuramo kode agerageza.
We've been at this for hours. How about a dinner break?
tumaze amasaha turi muri ibi twagiye kurya. oya.
Scarlett, just give me something.
You need it.
Scarlett wagize icyuma.
What I need to do is crack this code.
reka ino kode mbanze nyikuremo.
Suit yourself.
Okay.
I'm gonna order a pizza.
reka ntume pizza muri resitora bita gift. niho bagira pizza nziza hariya mu mujyi buriya. breakfast icyo kurya cya saa sita ibintu byose ubundi ni muri gift.
Scarlett in the United States.
baje kubona izina ryitwa Scarlett kandi ba Scarlett ni nka miliyoni nyinshi cyane bitwa gutyo muri Amerika. baje kubona izina rimwe ryitwa Scarlett.
Why don't you move on to the next one and jump around?
uwo nguwo tumusimbuke rero.
Because it's a person, Claire.
uyu ni umuntu.
Just jump around this.
umuntu ntabwo bamusimbuka.
How many names are on the list?
ese iyo lisiti y'abantu bangana iki? ni lisiti y'abantu bazicwa.
Well, if each line corresponds to the person, then 26.
bashobora kuba ari abantu 26.
Are already dead.
bane muri bari kuba bamaze gupfa.
The list primarily consists of pharaonic, Arabic, Chinese symbols.
Here, these symbols, those are Mayan. Celtic, to be precise.
How do you know?
I studied Mayan architecture. Counting these. What numerical classifier are you using? No.
What?
It's flat. The list, it's flat. In the Celtic language, different numerical classifier when counting flat.
What are
you doing?
Just
okay.
Yandika hano.
W.
Komeza kureba. Biramufasha komeza kugira.
You're a genius.
Wa mukobwa ufite ubwenge we biri gukora.
Watkins?
Scarlett Watkins.
Bingo.
Okay, where do you live, Scarlett Watkins?
Atuye hehe amakuru batangiye kuyabona Scarlett Watkins zina bararibonye. Zina barikuyemo.
You have your own law firm in North Hollywood.
Uyu mugabo mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood afite cabinet d'avocat baramubonye. Reka bari we tujya kureba nundi uri kuri list kandi iyi ni hit list twabonye ni list abantu bose bari bagomba gukwicwa. Babonye witwa ngo Scarlett Watkins bayisamenya ko afite cabinet d'avocat mu majyaruguru ya Hollywood no bagiye kujya. Tururi. Tuvera tugaruke hano. Ku cyicaro cya FBI. Bano nabo batonganyemo.
Hey.
We. Yeri kunywa niyoko nitabi bita niyoko nabonye mu Rwanda ryarahageze nari biri cyane.
Quit.
Nari nzikoretse itabi.
I did.
Yego narariritse.
Not starting up again.
Narubwo ngiye kurisubira. Karakanyuma.
Look.
Va.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
I shouldn't have lashed out on you. I was
Ntago nakabaye nakubwanukiye ngo gutonganye.
angry, I should say.
Nari mfite ubwoba cyangwa se narakaye sinzi ko nabivuga.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
There's something you should know.
Hari ikintu ufite kumenya.
I should have told you sooner.
Nakabaye narakikubwiye na mbere.
What's going on?
Ibiki bijya mbere.
You know, I paid a visit to the orthopedic center earlier.
Nasuye ryavuriro kare.
And you told me that was a dead.
Wambwiye ko ariho birangiriye ariko byaducanze.
Yes, no.
Birashoboka cyane binashoboka.
Care to elaborate on that?
Wansobanurira neza.
Promise me.
Sezeranya.
Stays between us.
Kubiri bigume hagati yanjye nawe.
I don't know who I can trust anymore.
Ubu ntago nzi undi muntu nakwizera ubu nona.
I know I can trust you.
Urabizi we nakwizera sibyo? Rebe. Ako nino. Bano baro bamaze kumenya. Uko bwara amakuru ngo yabonye. Bano bahise baza hano.
Okay, here we are.
Urabizi. Ni mu rugo rwo babonye kuri list. Bisa nk'ari ugomba gukurikira mu bagomba gupfa.
Access to her cell phone, we're going to need everything. Emails, text,
turaza gukirira email, message,
social media,
imbuga nkoranyambaga zabo.
Everything on my desk.
Mu masaha abiri byose mbibone ku meza yanjye.
What's the latest?
Mugeze he?
We mapped out every possible whereabout Will frequented leading up to his disappearance.
Turi kugerageza guhuza ahantu hose afite aho ahuriye n'uriya mugabo ko yabuzemo.
Nothing on that end.
We visited his old place and found out from his ex-wife about him moving out a few months back. Unfortunately,
twasuye umugore w'uriya mwigizi wa nabi dusanga yaragiye kwimuka
And we used the database of over 24 real estate agencies in Los Angeles, linking the name Will Scott to rental agreements, and the results were positive. We haven't addressed.
ndetse Will Scott twamaze kumenya n'ahantu yari atuye.
All right, let's go. Come on, right now.
Do me a favor. Turn this place up.
Uho hantu ni muhagera urugo rwose mu rushyire hasi mbega mu rusake buri nguni yose.
There, I saw him.
Genda rahira nabonye papa.
Listen.
Anna.
I know this has been difficult.
Wa mwana ndabizi bino bintu birakugoye.
Difficult for me to
ariko nanjye birangoye kana kari kubwira mama ngo nabonye papa uyu munsi.
Accept the truth about your father, the sooner you can start healing.
Nuko utarakira neza ngo utangire kwakira ko papa yapfuye ariko nawe wabonye.
Sometimes can play tricks on
ubwonko nabwo bujya butushuka.
In times of sadness.
Cyane cyane mu gihe cy'akababaro hari igihe ubona umuntu we wapfuye ukongera ukamubona.
Because one day we'll be able to smile and be happy again when we think of
usihangana umunsi umwe tuzongera tubashe guseka.
It's just gonna take some time, baby.
Gusa bizatwara igihe baby.
How much time?
Igihe kingana ikize.
Well, that depends.
Bizaterwa.
But I know talking about it definitely helps.
I just don't want to talk about the sad things.
Okay. We can talk about the good things.
Yesu nshaka tuganira ibintu bibabaje okay tuganira ibintu byiza.
Let's tell each other what we miss most about you.
Reka no twese tuganire tubwira nicyo buri umwe akumbuye kuri papa. Ariko ibintu byiza gusa. Sibyo? Ngo nibyo bagiye kuganira. Umbwira ibintu byiza ukumbuye kuri papa wawe wapfuye nanjye ngubwire. Mama n'umwana.
I'll go first.
Reka mbanze. Kugerageza kwikura mu gahinda.
I miss his laugh.
Nkumbuye ukuntu papa wawe yasekaga. Nawe mbwira icyo ukumbuye kuri so.
I miss the goofy eyes he would make at me sometimes.
Njye nkumbuye ukuntu yajyaga akaraga amaso rimwe na rimwe akigira gutya. Turi gutera story. Yari abishoboye.
Pancakes.
Ndetse na pancake yatekaga. Mama yarakurushaga kuziteka wakagoryiwe. Baraganira.
Does this help?
Biri kugufasha?
Yeah.
Yego. Narumiwe. Uburere ukuntu butangwa hano hanze.
Anything.
Even if it sounds crazy.
Ibintu byose tubiganira byaba ari ubusazi.
Sounds crazy.
Umugore yitwa Leia. Umugabo yaje hano. Urebe filime. Dore yaje. Mbere na mbere yaje mu rugo rwe.
Your daughter, she's cute.
Umukobwa we ni mwiza. Yabanje kuza mu rugo rwe. Kandi FBI yamaze kumenya urugo uyu mugabo yabagamo mbere.
Just in case.
Amaze gutandukana n'umugore we ngo urugo yagiye kubamo. Nirwo yabanje gucamo abanza apakira ibyo apakira. Ubundi ajye kureba uwo mugabo babonye ugiye gukurikira mu bicwa bajye kumureba nyuma.
Who's that?
Wo ninde? Robumvishe. Hey. Mu nzu ye. FBI yahamenye kandi bazi ko uyu mugabo yapfuye. Film. Bizi twagiye. FBI yavuze ati inzu ye baze bayicurike bamenye akantu ku kandi. Arabinjiye hano. Mu rugo rwe rwa Will Scott yatandukanye n'umugore yitaza kurubamo. Dore nguyu.
That door is supposed to be locked.
Uyu muryango wakagombye kuba ari ufunze.
Something's up.
Harimo ikibazo hano hantu. Harimo ikibazo. Dore umugabo ari gucika. Hey! Nta muntu umwe wo kwizera. Uwo yagerageje guhamagara muri FBI w'inshuti ye yashatse kumwiyicira. Ntanswe bano none hatanazi batari inshuti zibo muri FBI. Umugabo ari kuba kwipa nta muntu umwe ashaka amenya kakiri muzima ataramenya ibyiriya list. Bimeze bite? Abantu bazi ko yapfuye. Inzu ye bayigezemo. Ari kumanuka na mukobwa. Katuri. Yeah. Umugabo Chisheni.
Clear?
Meze sawa?
I'm good.
Jemeze sandumva nta muntu urimo hano. Katuri. Sasa urebye hano. Wibuka uriya mugabo bajya kumufata. FBI nta ya list irimo kode bari bagifite. Umugabo yari yarayigiye arayifotora yose amakode abimanika ku gikuta cye. Turi ngo barabigwaho.
It's up on the fridge.
Iyi foto yari imanitse kuri firigo. Turerwa ya kode ngo barongere bakayibona.